speaking more generally, I think that everything we do finally comes from clients. In some way, in one way or another, they tell us what we should do with them. And this applies to, if not all, but most of the tools that we use. And in the future, I think that this should be kept in mind. If we want to have new tools, because Steve said what we are doing is not the final state of the art. It is just several stones on the road. Then we lay some other stones on the road, and then people after us will do the same further on. And the guiding principle is that if something is proposed by clients, we need to look carefully if it is useful for this client, first of all, and then for other clients outside of this context. I think this can be a very, very useful guiding principle, whatever we do.
So keep the solution-focused work informed by the clients in all levels.
Yes. Listening them to them very carefully. One of the things that totally dissatisfies me is that solution-focused brief therapy is proven to be as effective as other approaches. I think that we need to do something to make it better, significantly better, statistically better. So I don't agree. That's not enough for me.
Yes, it's something.